KYT TT Overtech black green. This one is nice if you have a Kawasaki. If you have a Kawasaki Ninja, it's very good color to go with. Made by AKMK Design. Very nice. I like the spoiler on the Titicos. Vent at the top, vent in the front. The pads are very comfortable always. Very good quality. Vent in here. The good thing with this, you can put a nice chill mode here if you have an action cam, so it's very big and nice. Yeah, the green one looks very nice actually. I'm very impressed by the color. It's nice. As I say, if you have a Ninja, it's very good to have this one. Apart from KYT Helmet, we also have Titicos dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus, 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available, so you just have to check in the link in this description for eClaw by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.